You think you've seen everything until you walk into a mall where the VIP customers aren't people, they're pets. Because yes, pets have taken over our homes and now they're taking over our malls. And this place, it's on another level. If you think I'm exaggerating, wait until you see what's inside. I'm taking you into Suhiwan Mixed Sea World. The moment you walk in, you realize you're not in a normal mall. The floors are spotless, the lights are bright, and everywhere you look, pets. Dogs in strollers, cats in backpacks, owners walking side by side, like this is the most natural thing in the world. And trust me, this isn't random. Shanghai is one of the fastest growing pet cities in China. There are estimated to be over 120,000 pet-related businesses in the city. Grooming salons, cafes, clinics, boutiques, and specialized supermarkets. The pet economy here is huge and growing every year. And a big part of that growth comes from young people, especially those born in the 90s and 2000s who treat pets like members of the family. Living alone or working long hours in a big city can feel isolating, but a pet, that's companionship every day. Now let me show you what's inside. This whole section looks like a small pet town inside the mall. Wide hallways, colorful signage, and little corners designed for animals to rest or play. Even the trash bins, benches, and water stations are pet-friendly. The first thing that caught my eye was the pet clothing stores. And listen, if you think buying clothes for your pet is just cute, here it's a whole fashion industry. Clothing starts around 199 RMB, or about $27, and if you want something designer, it can go all the way up to 5,200 RMB, which is roughly $720. Some of the outfits look like something you'd see on a runway. Then you have the pet supermarket, and it's huge. You can find frozen raw food for dogs and cats, fresh bakery treats, dehydrated snacks, supplements, toys, grooming gear, literally everything. They even have what I can only describe as a pet deli. You pick a meal and they prepare it fresh. Warm dishes, balanced recipes, everything made for pets with dietary needs. If you're the kind of person who wants the best for your pet, this place is basically Disney World. There used to be a standalone pet pharmacy here, but now all the medical products are part of the larger pet lifestyle stores. You can still find everything: flea treatments, supplements, vitamins, creams, just in a more boutique environment, more like a lifestyle shop than a clinic. One of my favorite parts is the dog social zone. It's a big open space where dogs can play, meet each other, or just relax. Some dogs are chasing toys, some are sniffing around like detectives, and others just sit calmly watching the chaos happen around them. It feels like a luxury dog park inside a shopping mall. And here's something I really didn't expect to find inside a mall like this: a cinema. But not just any cinema. One of the screening rooms is pet-friendly. Yes, you can watch a movie while your pet stays with you. The space is designed to be calmer, quieter, and more comfortable for animals. They're screening Zootopia 2 in this pet-friendly room. They only play it once a day, and tickets sell out fast. So fast that screenings are already sold out 2 weeks in advance. You actually have to book ahead if you want a seat. That alone tells you how popular pet-friendly experiences have become here. It's not just about watching a movie, it's about sharing moments, even something as simple as sitting in a theater together. And I need to mention this because it surprised me. The place is insanely clean. It doesn't smell like dogs at all. They have these small cleaning robots constantly vacuuming and disinfecting the floors. And the staff, super attentive. In the restaurants, they'll bring your pet a bowl of water or even a snack if you ask. Some places have special pet menus, seriously. Now let's talk about why pets have become such a big part of city life here. In big cities like Shanghai, people often live alone, marry later in life, or spend most of their time working. A pet offers comfort, routine, and emotional support. It's not about being cheaper than having kids, because honestly, owning a pet can get expensive. It's about convenience, lifestyle, and companionship. To give you an idea of the scale, and this is older data, not recent, Shanghai's pet consumer market for dogs and cats was once estimated at 19.7 billion RMB, and the average yearly spending per pet was around 5,561 RMB, or about $800. These numbers are from older studies, but they still show just how big the pet economy has been for years. Another interesting detail, Shanghai technically has a one-dog registration per household address rule, but it's not strictly enforced. Think of it more as an administrative guideline to help keep track of dog ownership in dense urban areas, not a hard limit. People still own multiple pets, they just register differently. What I love about this place is that it's not just stores. The whole environment is designed to make pets feel welcome. There are ramps instead of stairs, benches specifically shaped to fit pet strollers, and even QR codes everywhere, so you can check pet-friendly rules or find nearby services. The vibe is calm, friendly, and honestly feel good. Everyone here shares one thing in common. They really love their animals. So that's the Suhiwan Mixi World, a mall that shows how fast pet culture is growing in big cities like Shanghai. And now I'm curious, do you think having a pet today is a trend? Is it a fashion? Or is it simply the modern way people find companionship in big cities? Tell me what you think in the comments. I'd love to know.